Hello class! So today I will be discussing word problems involving angle of elevation using Math Breaker Map. So didiscuss ko lang ulit ito sa inyo para sa asynchronous nyo ay hindi na kayo mahirap. Alright, let's proceed. Review lang tayo. So, SOHCAHTOA is, di ba, it stands for sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And then C stands for cosine. And A is adjacent over hypotenuse. And T stands for tangent. Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So itong tatlong trigonometric ratios na to ang ginagamit usually sa word problems involving angle of elevation and also depression. Okay, so for example, number one. So Mika wants to calculate the height of a post near their house. She stands 15 feet away from the base of the post. So using a clinometer, she measures the angle of elevation of the top of the post to be 30 degrees. How tall is the post? So ito yung ating illustration. So ito yung bahay niya. Then yung poste. So ayan si Mika. Pero tingnan nyo class ha, kasi before, kapag ganito yung figure, meron tayong given na kung gaano kataas yung observer from yung eye level niya to the ground. Pero dito hindi siya given. So ang tanong na how tall is the post mula lang sa top ng poste hanggang dito lang sa eye level ang tinatanong. Para lang clear. Okay, so again, 15 feet away siya from the base. So ayan na. And then yung angle of elevation niya from the top, ito yung kanyang eye level o the horizontal line, pataas, papunta dito sa top ng poste is 30 degrees. So again, ang hinahanap ay kung gaano kataas yung poste, pero hanggang dito lang ha. Hindi naman tinatanong dyan kung gaano kataas yung poste from the top hanggang sa ground. So hanggang dito lang tayo sa eye level niya. Okay, so we are going to use Math Breaker Map. So ito yon. So meron tayong angle here, 30 degrees. Meron tayong, yung x natin ay, lagay muna natin yung angle natin here, 30. So, kaya, baka maguluhan kayo kasi before nung tinuro ko to is meron na nakalagay dito kung adjacent ba, opposite, or hypotenuse. So now, para lang hindi, or para mas mag-isip kayo, is side na lang ang nilagay ko. Since triangle naman to, right triangle naman, so alam naman natin na ito ay angle, 90 degrees angle, di ba? So, ito ay hypotenuse niya. So, kung ito ang ating reference angle, ano niya to? So, that's opposite. Okay? So, x, ayan, opposite. And kung ito ang opposite niya, ano niya to? So, ito ang 15 feet, yung kanyang distance away from the post to Mika is the adjacent side. Pag sinabing adjacent, yung side na mas malapit sa reference angle. Okay, so meron tayong opposite, meron tayong adjacent, may O and may A. So ang gagamitin natin ay TOA or tangent. Tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Then substitute. So ang ating angle is 30. So tan 30 is equal to x, which is our opposite, and ang denominator natin ay 15, yung adjacent side. So, solution, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, mag-cross multiply tayo. So, unahin si x sa kaliwang side. Okay, so kasi may over 1 dito. Si tan 30 may over 1. So, 1 times x ay x. Then, 15 times tan 30. So, ayan na yun. 15 tan 30. Kung wala kayong calculator na or wala kayong scientific calculator, pwede nyo siyang, pwede nyo munang kunin yung tan 30 sa table of values nyo. So, ano ba ang value ng tan 30? So, that's 0.5773. Then, saka nyo i-multiply kay 15. Okay? Pero kung meron naman kayong cycle or scientific calculator, pwede nyo na siya idiretso. 15 times tan 30, same lang ang lalabas. So again, so x is not equal to ha, approximate na yan ang tawag dyan. Yung medyo pa curve, wavy, approximate na. So hindi siya saktong-sakto kasi class, 'di ba? Hindi naman natin talaga nakukuha yung exact height ng poste na yan. So approximate ang gagamitin natin. Near naman yun sa actual na height ng post based sa problem. So, it's 8.66. So, the height of the post is approximately 8.66 feet. Kailangan may unit. Do not forget the unit. Okay? Titignan nyo din yung given. Kung feet, feet ang gagamitin. Kung meter, meter ang gagamitin. Alright? So, next example. Okay. So a condominium casts a shadow of 123 feet if the angle of elevation of the top of the building or the top of the condominium from the tip of the shadow is 48 degrees. Find the height of the condominium. So let's make an illustration. So ito ang ating condominium. And sabi, nag-cast daw siya ng shadow ng 123 feet. Of course, ang shadow natin pa ganyan. So, depende sa araw. Imagine nyo na nandito yung araw. Okay, so ayan na. So that's 123 feet. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the tip, so baba of the shadow is 48 degrees. So find the height of the condominium. Ito ang hinahanap. Okay, so ito ang reference angle natin. Ano niya si X? Ano ang relationship nila? This is opposite. Okay, so kung ito ay right triangle, of course, right triangle yan. Ito ay hypotenuse. Kasi opposite ng right angle si hypotenuse. So, meron tayong opposite, may hypotenuse tayo. So, we are going to use the sign. The sign is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Ang so. Okay, so, using the math breaker map, we're going to use this one. So, illustration, ito lang kinuha ko yung triangle para magkasya. So, ang angle natin is 48. So, we have two sides. So, yung unang side ay hypotenuse. Pwede ka naman magkabaliktad. Basta tama. So, hypotenuse kinuha ko kasi yun ang given natin is 123 feet. And yung hinahanap si X ay opposite side. Again, pwede yan magkapalit. So, pwedeng mauna si opposite and hypotenuse. Basta tama lang yung pagkakalagay nyo. Baka ilagay nyo dito ay opposite tapos ano, 123. So, mali na. So, 123 is hypotenuse. X is the opposite side. So, equation. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Then, substitute the value of your angle. Sine 48 ayun na, is equal to opposite x over 123. And then, over 1, may denominator na 1 si sine 48. So, 1 times x is x. And then, uunahin si 123 times sine 48. Again, kung meron kayong scientific calculator, pwede nyo nang idiretso yan. Pero kung wala, kung may normal lang na calculator yung gamit nyo, so you need to find the value of sine 48 by using your table of values. So, ang sine 48 is 0.7431 multiplied by 123. So, that's approximately 91.406. So, ang katabi ng 0 ay 6 more than 5. So, ano natin to? I-round off natin. Round up. Okay, so magiging 91.41. But the answer is, kailangan in sentence, so the height of the condominium is approximately 91.41 feet. So, sana malinaw na yan. That's all. Thank you so much. Bye.